the Chugwater Chili Kitchen. Today we're going to do our bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers, and we're going to season these with our dip and dressing mix from our Chugwater Chili seasoning family. The first thing we're going to do is to blend 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now I'm just doing a half recipe, and so I'm only going to put in 1 tablespoon of our dip and dressing mix. Very versatile, guys. You don't have to just use this for dip and dressing. So take your softened cream cheese, add your dip and dressing mix, and just stir until it's fully combined. There we go. All right, so the reason for my beautiful white gloves, as you all know, we love our jalapenos, but we don't like the oils in our eyes. So you're just gonna take the end off of the jalapeno, and then we're gonna seed it. It pulls out really easy on that membrane. If you remove some of the seeds or all of the seeds, it does help to reduce some of the heat. If you are somebody who just loves that heat from your jalapenos, I guess go ahead and leave some in there and don't worry about it too much. But for most of us, we like a little bit of that reduced for palates. Okay, we'll do one more. And it's nice to use great big jalapenos because then you really get a nice chance to have a really nice finished product. Lots of the cream cheese in there. And the bacon strip goes around it really nicely too. So there we have our jalapeno halves. They're all cleaned out. And we're just going to take a spoonful of our dip and dressing mix, mixed with our cream cheese, and fill up the cavity in your jalapenos. These are great for holiday gatherings. Have them on your hors d'oeuvre table, appetizer table when you have family and friends coming over for the holidays. Or if you've just got a football game going, they go pretty well with that too. This is an easy thing for almost any member of the family to make. So if you've got kids that like to help you in the kitchen, this is a great place to have them help. All right, and then I believe about a half of a piece of bacon is going to be just right to wrap around our jalapenos. Oh, that looks like maybe we could have used a whole one. Can secure that bacon with a toothpick in the back. And then we have pre-oiled a piece of aluminum foil on our baking sheet so that they don't get stuck on there. Just wrap your bacon all the way around. Remember, it'll shrink a little bit as it cooks, so it's not a big deal if it doesn't fit exactly on your pepper. This is going to be the thing that everybody asks you to bring for Christmas. Pepper. All right. So there you have them. Just space them a little bit so they're not just popped right on top of each other. If you cover most of the cream cheese, this one was our short strip, so it didn't cover everything all the way, but it'll hold that cheese in there just a little bit better and it won't run out as it cooks. And we're just going to pop them into the oven. But to save some time on that, we've gone ahead and prepared some for you. Product. You have your jalapeno, you can see your cheese inside, and your bacon. And if you like a little bit of our extra flavor, you can dip it into our dip and dressing mix mixed as a dip. Enjoy.